I kind of wanted to do a video on kind of making sure everybody knows where we are. So we started the shape project with taking notes on shape, and this is in the video. I believe it was last Thursday. All right. So your first part of this assignment is I guided you through, you did 4 different lines, you did 5 circles, you did 3 freeform shapes, and then you did a continuous line. Okay. Then you colored it in. Sorry, mine looks bad because I cut it up. Then you colored in the different shapes. All right, you can see where you color in the different shapes where the lines crossed over themselves. This, once you're colored, turn it into Google Classroom. It's called First Shape Design. Take a picture of it before you do the cutouts, okay? Also, if you don't want to cut it out, because some of y'all's turned out really good, and maybe you don't want to cut it out, that's completely fine. You can take a blank sheet of paper, put it over that spot, go up to a window. Maybe I can hold this up so you can see. If you go up to a window, put it up against the window, you can trace that line shape and not have to cut up your drawing, okay? So you can do that if you want. And if you do that, when you redraw it, you can change the color if you want. I mean, the one that I ended up doing was, where'd it go? The one that I ended up choosing was this one. I like the blue and the orange. I don't like these 2 colors. So I will change that when I go to my enlarged shape. So somebody asked me that today. If you can change this when you enlarge it, you totally can. Okay? So what you're gonna do, once you cut out your, let me get all this out of the way, your 3 thumbnails that you're gonna use, you are putting that onto your piece of paper. Turn them any way you want, as long as they're down. Attach them. I'm not going to do that because one hand's holding the phone and the other one's doing this. And then this is your assignment on Google Classroom, Shape Part 2, Thumbnail Sketches. Okay, the thumbnail sketch is the little sketch that you were doing. Now, once you decided which one you were doing, which I'm doing this one, all right, you're going to redraw that larger. And this is my paper from the video. I was sick this weekend, you guys, and I didn't have a chance to finish mine, but I showed you in the in the video on how to transfer this drawing onto the grid drawing. All right. That, once you draw it large and you color it in, is going to be the third part, the enlarged thumbnail drawing. All right. Colored in, drawn. Like I said before, you can change the colors. And I didn't even finish coloring mine before I kind of did that video, so I might change that. And I'm not a fan of red, so I might change that red to something else. But you can do these colors differently as you did on the enlarged shape drawing, okay? So you've got 3 things, part of this assignment, right? Your first shape design, before you cut it out. Then you're doing your thumbnail sketches, whether you traced them or cut them out, either one. And then you're doing the enlarged thumbnail drawing, and it should be colored. So there's 3 parts to this assignment. All right? Hopefully that clears things up. Let me know if you have any more questions.